To adjust the date and time settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, we're gonna start by opening settings on our phone. Next step is to move to General Management, where we can find date and time. Now right here you can turn on and off automatic date and time. I recommend it to have it on, but if you disable it, you should be able to adjust your date and time manually by clicking on each of them. Although if you put it manually, you may encounter some problems with apps not opening, or some website also won't work. Then there's automatic time zone that you can change right here, and you can turn it off, which will allow you to switch a region and will also apply different time zone based on that. But I also recommend to put it on auto, and you can also set a time zone based on your current location. The last option that you can customize is use 24 hours format. You can disable it, then it will change to 12 hours format. If you enable it, then there's a 24 hours clock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.